To replace the water valve, you need to open the controls panel. To open the controls panel, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver or a tip that you could use on a cordless drill. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Turn the water faucets off. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water drips. And remove the two fill hoses from the water valve. Unscrew the 4 screws on top of the controls panel and open the controls panel. Remove the wires from the water valve. Move these clamps so you can get the hose out. And remove the hose. Unscrew the water valve holding screws. And grab the water valve and take it right out. Set the new water valve in place. Screw in the 2 holding screws. Connect the hose and secure it with the clamp. And connect the wires to the water valve. Close the controls panel and secure it with the 4 holding screws. Connect the 2 fill hoses to the water valve and open the faucets. That was a way to remove and replace the water valve.